What do we call the prize that's sponsored by Sweden, which sets many prizes in literal and physics field?
The Nobel Prize.
When we say dollars, cents, pounds, euro, what are these called?
Currencies.
What is the short piece of music that comes before a longer piece, and is often used as an introduction?
Prelude.
What do we call the thread in the center of the candle?
Wick.
What is the subject of studying changes in the temperature of the weather?
Meteorology.
Which of the five senses are you using if you detect the odor of gas in a laboratory or in your kitchen?
Smell.
What device do you use to measure your weight?
Scale, weighing machine.
What do you call the diagram which includes a horizontal line called x-axis and a vertical line called y-axis?
Coordinate system.
When you get sick, you go to see a doctor in a hospital. There are different types of doctors. Some doctors deal with bones, some deal with the heart. Which doctor deal with teeth?
Dentist.
What kind of dictionary provides synonyms, antonyms, and related words?
Thesaurus.
If someone lives in an urban area, where does he live?
City, town.
Which field of study relates to the human mind and behavior?
Psychology.
How many years does a centennial celebrate?
$100.
If you have a toothache, who will you go to?
Dentist.
In solar system, which planet can support life?
Earth.